In this video, we'll show you how to set up GPU-accelerated transcoding in Callaba using an NVIDIA GPU. To get started, let's create a web player, and let's give it a name. Next, we'll set up our input. As you can see, Callaba supports a wide range of options that you can choose from. For this example, I'll choose an HLS URL as the source. Now, let's configure transcoding settings. Expand the video settings section and select transcode to H.264 NVENC. You can also adjust other settings here if needed. Next, we'll enable adaptive bitrate. Open the adaptive bitrate settings section. For this demonstration, I'll pick the 4K option. Looking good. Now that everything is set, click Save. The video is now streaming. Let's preview it by clicking the play button. And here's our video being transcoded by NVIDIA GPU. And here you can see all of the available resolutions. Let's try switching between them. If you want to view the player in a separate tab, simply click the Open Web Player button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Try Callaba for free today.